Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose the right plan for your text helper using the easy method. This is a great way to look at the different price tiers on your current setup session so you can pick the best choice for your personal computer screen. Step 1. Check the free option for casual and quick everyday use. The first step is to look at the basic option that costs $0 to see if it fits your simple daily typing needs. Open the main website on your internet browser, look at the default free option, and use it to type simple questions or short letters without adding any credit card details to the web page. Test the typing box to see if it handles your quick tasks easily before you think about spending any money. Because this option costs absolutely nothing and gives you access to the main Smart Helper tool for quick brainstorming and simple document writing. The only thing to remember is that the website will limit how many messages you can send every few hours if the system gets too busy. If you only use the tool once or twice a day for small tasks, this basic option is all you need to keep on your screen layout. Step 2. Look at the Pro plan for regular daily work. Next, you need to look at the first paid level to see if you need more room for your daily writing and reading tasks. Click on the Account Upgrade button on your screen canvas rows, look at the plan labeled Pro, and read the monthly cost. Choose this option if you want to use the assistant for hours at a time without getting paused by the website. It gives you about 5 times more message room than the free option. It also lets you build separate project folders, upload larger files, and use the helper for your regular daytime job without hitting a wall mid-sentence. It is the most popular choice for single users who use the tool every single day as their primary assistant helper. Step 3. Explore the team plan if you have a small business or a collection of people who need to share information inside the same network room. Move your cursor to the business section of the pricing page, look for the plan labeled Team, and review the cost, which is $25 for each person every month. Choose this option if you have at least 5 people who need to work together on the same computer projects. Because the group plan lets everyone share their project documents and chat histories in one safe workspace. It also gives the main manager a central control panel to add or remove people from the payment group easily. It makes sure your whole office can use the helper together without everyone needing to buy separate single accounts on their own screens. The final step is to look at the highest tier option if you are an advanced user who uses the assistant for heavy, non-stop daily tasks. Look at the top of the paid choices for the plan labeled Max, which comes in 2 price levels of either $100 or $200 a month. Select this if you are a heavy builder who works with massive code bases or runs the assistant for 8+ hours every single day. Because the Max option gives you up to 20 times more message room than the standard paid plan, completely clearing away the normal message limits. It is built for people who use the tool as their main professional program and cannot afford to wait for a time lock to reset. Once you pick this, your screen canvas rows are fully open for heavy workloads and your setup is completely finished. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.